Okay, so we will also work on this succulent. I see some issues here. So one is that these plants are all very lanky. That means there is they have not been getting sufficient sunlight. You see there are a lot of space between two different leaf nodes, right? So one is here, another one is here. Ideally they should be growing very close to each other if they are getting sufficient sunlight. Also the plant, some of the leaves are drying. Somehow I feel that they have been watered less than the required frequency, and so less sunlight, less water, so these plants are very malnourished. Let's see what is the status of the root. I'm not sure. Right, so this is the status. What I like is there are some new roots growing over here. So if you see there are new roots here, that means this plant can be saved, but it seems that the original root is all completely dried off. Yes, it seems like that. Yes, right. So there is nothing in here. If you see, this is completely dead, right? If you see, right, it's completely dead. So what we will do now is I will remove the part which is dead. So there are infections over here. I will remove it from here somewhere, and this part, because it has been growing roots, this will live. And we'll also cut these lanky portions so that they will be planted separately, and this entire length will be a good portion to keep. Okay, so do we have scissors? Let's see. Let me just cut it from here. Ideally we should have very sharp knives so that there is less stress, there are no gaps here. Right, so this part is completely dead. If you see, the roots are completely dried off. There is this is not living, completely dead, right? But we have this part, and this is the good thing is that we already have some roots growing here, so this is not going to take a long time to regrow, and we will cut these parts. So ideally we should have sharp scissors for these. So because this will not even look good, right? If you plant it like this, even if the leaves come out, they will not look good, right? So, and this portion looks good. There is a root over here, and the length also is good, so we'll keep this, and we will right. And here, if you see, there are some roots here also. I'm not sure if these roots are living, but we can then detach it from here and then plant it separately, and most probably we will have new plants in that form. Okay. So all these, if you see, there are some roots coming here, right? So there are roots here, there are roots here. So all these are potential candidates for new plants. Let me use my nails also, because that will be more accurate. Yes. So this is one. This is another one. Only problem with nails is because the nails might be dirty, especially mine are always dirty. So this can lead to infections at these points. So what we will do is we'll wash them with neem oil so that they do not get infected. Okay, or we can use any antiseptic. Even the turmeric we have at home is an antiseptic which can be used to clean these kind of things. But ideally we should have antifungal. Safe is one good antifungal chemical we get online, so you can order Safe. And ideally we should be cleaning all these cut points with Safe whenever we plant new. Right. So this goes. So everything goes. Okay, so ideally, right. So we will be planting this part, and most probably we will have new leaves coming from these portions, and it will look good. And these we will plant separately. I'm not sure which of these will live, but 2 or 3 of these should live, because there are some hints of roots here. So if you see here also, there are 2 roots coming out. There is one old red root. So all these have small roots coming out. Not actually sure if they will live or not, but this doesn't have any root. So what we will do is we'll let it dry for 1 or 2 days. But this already there is very little water in it, so I'm not sure if it is healthy. But we'll let it dry for 1 day, and then in these portions, what we will do is we'll apply some aloe vera oil. We have a lot of aloe vera here, so that works as a rooting hormone. So it will help in growing new roots, and then we will plant them, and let's see what happens. But ideally this portion is very is in a good shape. We have roots also, so this most probably will live. Okay, so this is all. We'll just be using the same soil and repot this. Thank you.